This 2024 Tiffin Midas 24MT is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 24 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 2, water heater, slide-out, refrigerator, TV, carbon monoxide detector, awning, LP detector, oven, air conditioning, smoke detector, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath. This 2024 Tiffin Midas 24MT is built on a Ford 350 HD AWD Transit Cutaway Chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.